Dubai Vehicle Branding FAQ. Everything you need to know.
What is vehicle branding? Applying custom graphics and logos to turn your vehicle into a mobile advertisement. Why is vehicle branding important? It promotes your brand 24/7 and reaches thousands of people daily. How long does it last? Typically 3 to 5 years, depending on vinyl quality and care. Does it damage the paint? No. Proper wraps protect paint and can be removed safely. How long does installation take? Usually 1 to 2 days, depending on size and design.
Do I need approval in Dubai? Yes, from the RTA. Professionals can handle the approval process. What vehicles can be branded? Cars, vans, trucks, buses, and entire fleets. Is it expensive?
No, it's a one-time marketing investment with long-term exposure.
Can it be removed later? Yes, vinyl wraps are fully removable without harming the vehicle. How does it help grow a business? Builds brand awareness, trust, and credibility, reaching more customers daily. Ready to turn your vehicle into a powerful marketing tool? Contact Printzone today for professional vehicle branding in Dubai.